Good evening. I'm Christy Casciano.
And I'm Rod Wood. The deadline is now June 24th for the owners of Shoppingtown Mall to pay nearly $10 million in taxes to Onondaga County.
Lawyers for Moonbeam Capital were able to get the extension sometime yesterday before the deadline came for them to pay. News Channel 9's Jeff Kulikowski with the very latest on this. So what does this extension mean, Jeff?
This actually came from an appellate court judge. So that actually, guys, is different than the Supreme Court judge that originally set that deadline. So what does it mean? Moonbeam actually never did miss the deadline yesterday afternoon and stays in good legal standing. These court documents don't typically get published online right away. We had checked. They're still not online. There was no payment, and despite reaching out to the plaintiff's lawyers and Moonbeam officials, it was only at 6:39 this morning that I got word from the mall's lead attorney informing me of that extension. So the 14-day deadline set by State Supreme Court Judge Anthony Paris earlier this month, which was yesterday at 4 p.m., has actually been extended, giving the owners of Shoppingtown Mall, Moonbeam Capital, another month to pay nearly $10 million in taxes to Onondaga County. On May 9th, Judge Paris ruled against Moonbeam and its CEO, Steve Maxson, who took the stand in State Supreme Court in Syracuse in a lawsuit brought by Erie LLC, the owners of the former Macy's property at Shoppingtown. Now, Erie LLC is a subsidiary of Benderson Development. They sued Moonbeam to force Moonbeam to pay their taxes to the county. They claim the mall's failure to pay taxes is not only making it difficult to redevelop the Macy's part of the mall, but also putting it in imminent jeopardy of being lost to the county. In another legal move, lawyers for the mall late Monday filed what's called a notice of appeal of Judge Paris's ruling with the State Supreme Court Appellate Division in Rochester. It now gives the mall owners 6 months to perfect the appeal and file it with the Rochester court. Now, a spokesperson for Onondaga County Executive Ryan McMahon issued this statement late this afternoon saying not only does Moonbeam owe nearly $10 million to the taxpayers of Onondaga County, but, quote, due to Moonbeam being an irresponsible corporate citizen, the property continues to be a public safety concern. Now, unless they have a massive bottle and can drive, it goes on to say that's planned, they should pay up or move along so that they can turn this neglected property into a productive one, closed quote. Christy?
Jeff, thank you. And Moonbeam is also being sued, Onondaga County, to prevent it from seizing the mall for failure to pay taxes.